Hello everyone, here's an update on the cars. I'll start by apologising that it's been so long. In honesty, I've lost motivation slightly with the cars, so just had a little break from it. Here's the SLK that I purchased, I think it was February. Yeah, may have been February, but it was pink. So today I've just polished it and gone round it. So I'll just show you around this. The fog light's missing, it's in the boot, so that needs refitting. And I'm just waiting for the correct colour paint to come, because I ordered the wrong colour to do the touch-ins. But other than that, yeah, it has come up really well. There are a few dents and stuff, but for £500, it's kind of what you expect. So there's that. So the issue still to address with this are the roof doesn't work. The boot lid flips back, but it doesn't actually fold. And as you'll see now, the interior, it's a common issue, but the paint flakes off, if anything other than black. So they did red, cream, various funny colours. But yeah, it flakes off or scratches off. So I've got the cans down there to repaint it. There's a little test patch. Obviously some of it's dirty, so it's not quite exact. So yeah, I've just got to mask it all up and repaint that. And then that should last a reasonable amount of time. Also the headlining's sagging, so I just need to take that off, and then I've just got the trim adhesive to re-stick that. And the driver's mirror decided to fall out the other day, so that needs refitting. But other than that, it runs perfectly, and has an MOT until February at the moment. So that. The 140, that's all done, apart from I'm waiting for a new indicator because it decided to exit the building. I have no idea where, but just got home and it had disappeared. So just waiting for that to come, but that's all done, that's for sale. But here we are. There's the SLK. Magma Red. I thought it was called Fire Opal, but it turns out it's Magma Red. So yeah, I got the wrong colour touch-up stick. There's a couple of little bits of corrosion, but these were known for corroding really badly, and this one isn't too bad. But yeah, it just took a three-step polish to get it to come back to life. I'm tempted to get the wheels done, but then when it's only a £500 car, that'll probably be the same again. But there you go. Thanks very much for watching. Sorry it's been so long, as I said, and give you another update hopefully next weekend when I do the interior. Thanks, bye.